This is a basic tutorial of the upkeep and usage of the Yoose Y1 Minishaver. On the back of the shaver is an on and off button. Click it once to turn it on, click it again to turn it off. Once you've used it, all the collected hair will be kept inside the shaver head. So what you need to do is just pull off of the shaver head and there's hair falling out, but most of the hair will be stuck inside the shaver head and body. An easy way to get them out is to either just tap it or knock it on the table. Most of the hair should come out that way. For the actual shaver, you need to be a bit more gentle because of the electronics inside. Try not to knock it too hard or you could damage it. So just give it a light tap. So, when you purchase the standard Yoose Y1 Minishaver, it comes with this box, and inside should contain a manual, a charging cable, a brush, and a travel pouch. Inside of the travel pouch is where the cleaning brush and Type-C charging cable are kept. Now that we have the brush, we can properly clean the shaver by sweeping the razor head both inside and out. As for the main body, just sweep between the two motors to remove any hair. Technically, you don't have to wash the shaver, but it's good to wash it once in a while. To charge the shaver, use a Type-C USB cable to plug it in. To see if it's charging, there should be a slow blinking light to indicate that it's charging. Once the light is solid, it means the battery is full. Something to note is to not overcharge the shaver, as it could deteriorate the battery. Its charging time should be around an hour, as well as its battery life. It also has a standby time for about a month. The main on and off button has a secondary mode, which is a travel lock feature. Just press and hold and it won't accidentally turn on and drain the battery. And if you press and hold again, it goes back to normal. And if you have any more questions, you can let us know down below.